It's everyone's not so favorite time of the year, tax season. And for DC landlords, that means it's time to file the D-30 tax form. Wondering what I'm talking about? Continue watching this video. So you're probably asking, what is the D-30? For the unknowing landlord, the district considers renting a property to be a business function. As such, your rental income is considered business income, which requires a business tax return to report the income. For those of you who are individuals, this does apply to you, but be aware it only has to do with your state return. It is not so scary. Specifically, what you need to file is a D-30 unincorporated franchise tax return. The D-30 is actually a quite simple form. It's 2 pages and allows you to deduct your expenses before coming up with the tax owed. That's probably leading you to the next question. What is the tax? This year, the tax rate is 9.95% of your net income, or a minimum tax of $250, whichever is greater. Like your personal taxes, you must file the D-30 by April 15th. Now, for any of you who collect under $12,000 gross, be advised you actually have zero tax liability, but we do recommend that you file the return as a zero return. This will save some headaches when it's time to renew your license, whether it's this year, next year, or 2 years down the road. If you're thinking, I'm not a DC resident, this doesn't apply to me, think again. Important to understand for non-DC residents and even foreign owners that since this is considered business income, you must file the return with the district. For those of you who live in other states, you should speak with your tax professional regarding whether you need to declare the income in your home state on your personal tax return as well. Failure to pay the tax can cause liens and other consequences. So make sure you get the form done and file for the taxes. Now, if you're using TurboTax or a filing service like H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt, you should make sure this form is included in their service offerings. Too many times landlords later find out these services do not prepare and file this form as it's a business tax form. So you're also probably wondering, where can I find the form? You can find the form by going to www.taxpayerservicecenter.com and clicking on the 2013 Business Tax Forms and Publications under Tax Forms and Publications. Just make sure you file this by April the 15th. Unfortunately, we cannot answer too many questions related to this form as this is a tax matter and requires professional advice. But we are here always happy to refer you to a qualified tax professional should you have questions. Feel free to email us, support@rentjiffy.com, and we'll be happy to get you that referral. Good luck, and as always, happy landlording.